The ocean is one of the most unforgiving environments on Earth. To thrive here, it takes more than just a product. It takes engineering designed to withstand the extremes. At Indoplasko, our marine-grade solutions are crafted using advanced rotomolding and high-performance composite technologies engineered for absolute durability, maximum stability, exceptional impact resistance, and 100% corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term performance you can rely on voyage after voyage. From high-performance sailing vessels engineered for open water stability and endurance, to modular pontoon systems optimized for load capacity, balance, and operational efficiency, to our signature houseboats designed as fully integrated floating structures. We deliver scalable, application-driven solutions for both private and commercial marine operations. Built for the deep, engineered for excellence, partner with Indoplasko for your next marine project. Contact our team for consultation.